In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine and download free app called Caffeine keep screen on from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on OK in Welcome pop-up and tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. Then go into Tab menu. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Edit Styles in the pop-up. Now you need to look for Caffeine 1 located at the bottom and use green button to add it to your currently used ones. Then hold it and place it wherever you want to. Go back, click on it, and as you can see after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's white. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!